Hello and welcome back. This video will help you review assignment 1. If you haven't completed the assignment yet, go back and do it now. We'll go through all the steps and best practices that you should have followed to successfully complete it. Now don't worry if the workflow shown isn't exactly like yours. What matters is what you've learned along the way and the final result. The final step in completing this assignment is to take the text from each script and calculate the amount of words in it. In our example, we're using Google Docs, but feel free to do this with any tool you are familiar with. Select the text and use the word count function found under the tools bar. And as you can see, the first script has a total of 262 words. So next we need to calculate how many artboards we'll need based on the amount of words. You learned in Module 1 that we tend to use between 10 to 15 words per artboard. So we can divide the total amount of words by the average of 13, get approximate of 20 artboards. With the information you learned in this module, we'll create our first Illustrator file for the assignment. Now we need to set up our file by defining the name of the file, number of artboards, orientation, and the number of columns before hitting that Create button. In our newly created file, go to the first artboard and complete the first section of the assignment. Place a text box with the answer to the question, how many artboards do you think this storyboard will need based on the length of the script provided? In this case, the answer should be approximately 20 artboards. Choose a font of your liking, with a font size of around 60 for better visibility. Next, you'll need to copy and paste the text from the script into another text box. Start by selecting and pasting the first sentence you want on the first artboard. Then you can use the shortcuts to copy, Command and C, and paste, Command or Control, Alt, Shift, and V, this text box on all artboards to be efficient and improve your workflow. Continue selecting, copying, and pasting the script onto each artboard until we reach the end of it. Remember, storyboarding is subjective, and we advise that you keep single ideas or elements together so that a shot can be animated to best convey or expand on an idea. Once you are done, save the file and repeat the process with the rest of the scripts. How did you do? Hopefully you found this assignment easy and learned a lot through practice.